Okay, guys, welcome. This is lesson 9, writing expressions in which letters stand for numbers. Remember in lesson 8, we were reading expressions in which letters stand for numbers, so now we're going to write expressions in which letters stand for numbers. Surprise, surprise. My target for this lesson is I can write algebraic expressions that record all operations with numbers and letters standing for numbers. Okay? So let's just take a look at some examples real quick. All right, so example one. Example one, all we're going to be doing is I want you to underline the key math vocabulary words in each statement. So for A, I have the sum of twice B and 5. Well, my key vocabulary words, math vocabulary that would help me answer this question would be sum, which implies addition, of twice B and 5. Twice B and 5. Okay? And that also implies addition. So I could write this as sum of twice B and 5. I could write that as 2 times B plus 5. It's the sum of B plus 5 times 2, twice. All right, B says the quantity of A plus B divided by 4. I'm going to underline quantity A plus B divided by 4. And that would be A plus B divided by 4. C says 10 less than the product of 15 and C. 10 less than the product of 15 and C. Well, product implies multiplication, so the product of 15 and C I could write as 15C, and 10 less than that number, well, less than implies subtraction, so I could say 15C minus 10. Lastly, I have 5 times D and then increased by 8. I'm going to go through and I'm going to underline all our key vocabulary, times, multiplication, 5 times D, and then increased, right? If we're increasing something, we're adding to it. So 5 times D, and then increased by 8. Well, I could just write that as 5D increased by 8. 5 times D, remember that means multiplication, plus 8. If we take a look at our problem set, these first ones say mark the text by underlining keywords, then write an expression using the variables and or numbers for each statement. So B decreased by C squared. Decreased squared. So I'm going to write B decreased, that implies subtraction, by C squared. Well, C squared means C raised to the second power. Right? Let's take a look at F. Samantha saved her money and was able to quadruple the original amount of M. Well, quadruple, quad, that prefix quad means 4. And if I'm going to quadruple something, that means I'm going to multiply something by 4. What am I multiplying? What am I multiplying by 4? M. So I could write 4M. Okay? You have your problem set there. And then that's how the rest of these are going to go too. These are all word problems on the back. Model how to change real-world scenario to an expression using variables and numbers. Underline the text to show the key words before writing the expression. Marcus has $4 more than Yasin. If Y is the amount of money that Yasin has, write an expression to show how much money Marcus has. Okay? So if Marcus has $4 more than Yasin, right? We're going to write an expression to show if Y is the amount of money that Yasin has, write an expression to show how much money Marcus has. Well, Marcus's money is going to be equal to the amount of money that Yasin has plus 4. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, please email me and let me know. Good luck.